Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here of a solar panel that I bought a few months ago. It's a 40 watt Coleman solar panel with a 7 amp charge controller. It comes with this frame that allows you to quickly set it up, and apparently it's only good for charging 12 volt batteries, but you know, considering the price that I got it for, which was around around $75 American, it was a pretty good deal, I think. So I'm just going to quickly open it up. You can basically have a look here. It says it's weatherproof as well, portable. Just quickly take a look at the back. It gives you an indication of all the things that it comes with. Gives you a voltage tester, 2.4 meters of cable, 8 feet of cable, gives you the battery clamps, and it operates with these quick connect items. It also indicates, you know, basically how they're suggesting that you set it up. From the solar panel, charge controller, to the 12 volt battery connected to your inverter. And it also gives you a few different examples of some of the things that you can run off with. You know, laptop, lights, CB radio, etc. So I'm just going to quickly take a few things out. These are the accessories. Of course, here's the charge controller itself. And it has various lights for charging, or low voltage. And of course, here is the 8 feet of cable. And of course, the clamps, as well as the voltage tester. Basically that box. And yeah, so here panel with the here's the folding stand, of course. You can set it at the right angle for yourself, and of course here's the connections. It says it's made in China. So overall, it's pretty lightweight compared to some of the previous types of solar panels that I bought. It's much smaller as well compared to the other panels I bought in the past. And looks like it doesn't appear there's anything in this box at all. Looks like it's just for packaging. So that appears to be everything. Anyways, I hope that video is useful for you if you're considering buying this item. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, or comment, or subscribe. Thanks very much.